Good morning, students. Welcome to another class of physics. Today we will discuss some numerical based on chapter light, reflection, and refraction. So, here we are going to start. So, I am taking the first question, that is the image of an object placed at a 60 centimeter in front of the lens. So, image of the object placed at 60 centimeter. Object is placed at a distance of 60 centimeter. That means which thing is given to us? We have given u. We have given u, and always we have to take u as negative. So u is given to us minus 60. The question is the image of an object placed at a 60 centimeter in front of a lens is obtained on a screen at a distance of 120 centimeter from it. So at a distance of 120 centimeter from it, that means which thing is given to us now? We have given v. So now we have the value of u, we have the value of v. So what is the question? We have to find the focal length of the lens. We have to find focal of the lens, as well as it is given to us what would be the height of the image. Its height at the object is given to you, that is equal to 5 centimeter. So first of all, since we have here lens, so we will use the lens formula. 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. V is given to us 120 centimeter. So v 120, we will keep the value of v and u with the sign. So when we will solve it, we will get here f is equal to 40 centimeter. Now we all know if we want to find the height of the image, we have to use the formula of the magnification. The formula of the magnification is equal to v upon u. Here we will take height of the image upon height of the object, v upon u. Substituting the given value in this equation, we have the value of v, we have the value of u, we have the value of ho. So by putting all the value, we will get the height of the image, that is equal to 10 centimeter. Now coming to the next question, at what distance should an object be placed? That means u is not given to you. At what distance should an object be placed means we have to find u, where we have to place it. From a convex lens of focal length 18 centimeter, to obtain an image at 24 centimeter from it, on the other side, what will be the magnification? So we have to find u as well as we have to find the magnification. We have focal length as well as the distance of the image, that means v. So we have f, we have v, so we will use the lens formula. 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. Substituting the value, we will get here u is equal to minus 72 centimeter. Now we have the value of v, we have the value of u, we want to find the magnification, and the formula of magnification is equal to v upon u. So magnification is equal to 24 minus 72, that is equal to minus 1 upon 3. We have to write which type of image we have. Since we have magnification minus 1 upon 3, that means we have diminished image. If it is more than 1, then we have enlarged image, but here we have less than 1, so we will have diminished images, real and inverted. How we will find it is inverted? Since magnification is negative. Now coming to the next question, the refractive index of water is given to you and speed of light in air is given to you. We have to find the speed of light in vacuum. We have the formula refractive index is equal to c upon v. This will be the formula velocity of light in vacuum, and somewhere it is written that velocity, speed of light in vacuum or speed of light in air. In some books it is right and air also, both the things are same. So n is equal to c upon v. So now we will substitute the value of c as well as the value of diffractive index. We will get the value of v, that is equal to 2.25 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second. Same we have the another question. In this question we have given diffractive index and we have given c here, and we have to find v, that of the glass. In previous question we have to find the speed of light in water. Now in this question we have to find speed of light in glass. We will use the same formula, and by substituting the value we will get our answer, that is equal to 2 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second. Now coming to the next question, we have an object 2 centimeter. So height of the object is given to you, that is 2, is placed 30 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. Concave mirror means we have u is given to us, focal length is given to you, that is equal to 15 centimeters. Since we have concave mirror, so focal length will be negative. So we have to find at what distance from the mirror should be screen be placed. That means which thing we have to find. Screen be placed means image where we are getting. So we have to find v, so that we will obtain the sharp image. U is given to us, f is given to us. With the sign we will put the value in the mirror formula, that is equal to 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. We will get the value of v, that is equal to minus 30 centimeter. After that we have to draw ray diagram also. So ray diagram, by drawing the ray, how we will draw it, look at here. We have object is at 30 centimeter and we are getting the image also at 30 centimeter. So we will use the condition when object is placed at C. So that figure we have to draw when the object is placed at C. Now coming to the next question, we have the diffractive indices is given to you of A, B, C and D. We have the light travels from one medium to another, in which case speed of light is minimum. So we had seen here minimum changes, where we have seen here the minimum changes is between 1.50 and 1.52. That is the minimum difference. We have the difference of 0.02 here. So if we are going from one medium to another, minimum change we have seen if the object will go from B to C or C to B. And when we have seen the greater change in the speed, when we have seen the greater difference in the refractive indices. So maximum change we will see between A and D. If it is between A and D, then we will see the maximum change. Now we have another question, that is a concave lens has focal length. We have the focal length of the lens, that is 20. Since it is a concave lens, so we will take the focal length in negative terms. What distance from the lens are 5 centimeter tall object. Height of the object is given to us, that is 5 centimeter. We have to find from the lens v is given to us, that is minus 15. We have to calculate size of the image. So now we will use the mirror for even lens formula. Putting the values, we will get the value of u, that is equal to minus 60. Now we have the value of u, we have the value of v, we have the value of ho. So we can easily find the height of the image. Height of the image is 1.25. So now which type of image we have? We have diminished and virtual image, because height of the object is 5. Now we have 1.25, that means we have diminished and virtual. If height is positive, then it is given in our question also. Height of image is positive, that means we are getting the virtual image. Now we have discussed number of questions today, so for today we will discuss till here. So thank you till here. Thank you and God bless all of you.